Hello student, I am Hemant sir and we are going to start the redox reaction that takes place on the electrolytic cell. In previous video we have seen about the electrolytic cell and electrolytic reduction of sodium chloride. Okay, that means we have seen in electrolytic cell we have taken sodium chloride and we have dissolved in water, and we have seen that the sodium chloride when dissolved in water they forms ions, and these ions of sodium and chlorine they helps in the transportation of charge from one end to another end. That's why we called the charge can be transferred with the help of ion, and such conductors are called as electrolytic conductor. Electrolytic का means होता है the conduction of electricity with the help of ions. Okay, so now we will see the reaction that takes place on anode as well as on cathode. So previous वीडियो में हमने एक सेल बनाया था जिसमें हमने लिया था aqueous solution of NaCl. यहाँ पर हमने लिया था aqueous solution of NaCl. That means यहाँ पर Na के पॉजिटिव और क्लोरीन के नेगेटिव आयन प्रेजेंट होंगे. सो हमने लिखे यहाँ पर सोडियम के पॉजिटिव आयन को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, क्लोरीन को पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव लाइकवाइज. और यहाँ पर हमने लिया था दो इलेक्ट्रोड, वन इज एनोड एंड अनदर इज कैथोड. फिर हमने क्या किया था, इन दोनों इलेक्ट्रोड को एक एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से कनेक्ट कर दिया था. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have to see the reaction on anode as well as on cathode. This is the positive terminal of the battery and this is the negative terminal of battery. So this anode is connected with the positive terminal of anode, positive terminal of battery. That means it is called as anode, and the electrode which is connected with the negative terminal of battery is called as cathode. Okay, so we have to see the reaction at anode. Anode is positively charged electrode. Anode is positively charged electrode. So the negatively charged ion will attract towards the anode. So negatively charged on chlorine. So that means chlorine will attract towards the anode, and chlorine have extra electron in it, that is in negative form. So what chlorine will do? Chlorine negative ion will lose one electron, but one electron in order to produce chlorine gas. So chlorine gas require two ions or two electrons. So we have to write two ions, and two ions will lose two electrons to form chlorine gas. Okay, this chlorine gas is liberated from the anode. Okay, chlorine gas is liberated on the anode. This is the reaction. See, in this reaction क्या हो रहा है एक्चुअल में, क्लोरीन इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज कर रहा है, क्लोरीन आयन इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज कर रहा है. जहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज होते हैं उस रिएक्शन को बोलते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. Oxidation reaction. And now the reaction at cathode. So reaction at cathode. So we know cathode is negatively charged electrode of the cell. So नेगेटिव होने के कारण इसके साइड में पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयन क्या होंगे, अट्रैक्ट होंगे. पॉजिटिव चार्ज आयन किसके ऊपर है, सोडियम पर. सो सोडियम हैव पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन इट. सो सी यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज किया था किसने, क्लोरीन कैन है. सो दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल पास फ्रॉम दिस सर्किट थ्रू बैटरी एंड विल कम ओवर कैथोड, और वो कैथोड को मोर नेगेटिव बनाएगा. अब कैथोड के ऊपर कौन आ रहा है, पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयन, दैट मीन सोडियम आयन. तो सोडियम आयन इन इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करेगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करेगा और फॉर्म करेगा सोडियम मेटल. सो सोडियम मेटल विल डिपॉजिटेड एट कैथोड. तो यहाँ पर जो सोडियम मेटल डिपॉजिट होगी वो यहाँ पर जमा होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी लाइक दिस। तो दिस इज द सोडियम मेटल। So this is the bubbles of chlorine gas. Chlorine gas. Okay. So actual में अब देखो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन हो रहा है, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स हम इसको बोलते हैं रिडक्शन रिएक्शन। रिडक्शन रिएक्शन। So in electrolytic cell, oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. Both the reaction takes place simultaneously. That's why both of the reaction combinedly called as redox reaction are called as redox reaction. So this is all about the electrolytic cell. This is the electrolytic cell. Okay. So if you want to write the reaction at anode and reaction at cathode, you can write. So what is the result now? The result is the chlorine gas is liberated at anode and sodium metal is deposited at cathode. So we have to write the result of electrolysis of sodium chloride. So we have to write result also. Result of electrolysis of aqueous solution. Aqueous solution of NaCl. Number 1, chlorine gas. Chlorine gas is released, or you can say liberated, at anode. Number 2, sodium metal is deposited at cathode. Okay, so this is the result of electrolysis of NaCl, and this is the electrolytic cell. Okay. So if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. Now we will understand the electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water means the breakdown of water in its component. Okay, so we know the water is H2O. It is H2O. So in water we have, or we can say H2O can be written as H and OH. H and OH, that means H2 and O. Or we can write here as H O then bond H. H bond O bond H. It is H2O. It is the water. So we have to use electrolytic cell where we will pass the current and the water molecule will break down to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Okay. So we will see how. So we have to use electrolytic cell. So we have to draw the electrolytic cell first. So this is the electrolytic cell. This is the tank where electrolytic reaction takes place. That's why this tank is called as electrolytic tank. So we have to write electrolytic. Electrolytic tank. What is electrolytic tank? The tank where electrolysis process takes place. Where electrolytic process takes place is called as electrolytic tank. Okay. Here we have taken water. Here we have taken water because we had to electrolyze water only. So for electrolytic cell, always we require the external source of electricity. So external source of electricity we have used battery. So battery is like this only. Okay, this is the battery, and suppose this is the negative terminal and this is positive terminal. Here we have to use two test tubes. So so that we can see the effect of electrolysis. These are the test tube. Okay. And one wire from here we are using here. Okay, this is the electrode. See, this is the negatively charged electrode, that means it is cathode. It is cathode. And one wire from here we can use key also, so that we can switch on or switch off the circuit. This electrode is connected with positive terminal, so this is cathode, so this will be anode. This will be anode. This is battery. This is battery. What is battery? Battery is the external source of electricity. Okay, so this is the way we have to arrange our apparatus. Now we will switch on the key. हमने key को on किया, then what happens? The current will start flowing on anode as well as cathode. So we have to see reaction at cathode now. So I am writing over here reaction at cathode. Very important reaction that you have to understand. So we know the cathode which is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. That means this cathode is highly negative. Highly negative, that means the electrons are present on cathode. So the water molecule, that is H2O, will gain electrons. So when they gain electron, see, this water molecule will get breaks down from here. So one will form H positive ion and this will form OH negative ion. So then this electron present on the cathode will combine with H positive ion to release hydrogen gas. So for hydrogen gas we will require 2 H positive ion. So we have to write 2 H2O because 1 H2O gives 1 H positive ion. So we require 2 H positive ion. That means we will take 2 H2O molecule. So 1 H positive ion gains 1 electron. So here we will produce 2 H positive ion. So we will require 2 electrons. So 2 water molecules combines or gains 2 electrons to form hydrogen gas. And 2 OH negative ions are released. See, यहाँ पर water molecule breakdown हो रहा है और form कर रहा है hydrogen gas. So we have to represent here. Hydrogen gas के bubbles यहाँ से आएंगे और यहाँ पर collect होना start होंगे. Then what will happen? After some time, the level of the gas will increase. So वो यहाँ से suppose यहाँ पर चला जाएगा. Okay? So यहाँ पर क्या है? Hydrogen gas. Okay? So this is the reaction at cathode. Here water molecule gains electron. अब electron gain हो रहे हैं. Then it is called as reduction reaction. So you can say, what is reduction reaction? The reaction in which species gains electron are called as reduction reaction. Now we will see reaction at anode. Reaction at anode. Here again water molecules are present here, so we have taken water molecule. See, here 2 electrons are gained by water molecule. So यहाँ पर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन हो रहे हैं वो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पर लूज होने चाहिए. ओके, सो वाटर मोल देखो यहाँ पर एनोड विच इज कनेक्टेड विद द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी. दैट मीन्स ये जो एनोड इलेक्ट्रोड है ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट होगा. इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट दैट मीन्स वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करेगा. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करेगा दैट मीन्स वाटर मॉलिक्यूल विल लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन. So when water molecule will lose electron will form oxygen gas. So for oxygen here we can see H, O and H. Okay. So when these molecules, water molecules will comes in contact with anode, they release H positive ion. They release H positive ion and this O negative ion. This O negative ion will combine with another O negative ion and they release electron to form oxygen gas. They form oxygen gas and oxygen gas is released. See, for oxygen gas we will require 2 oxygen molecules, oxygen atoms. So here we have to write 2 H2O because 1 H2O will produce 1 oxygen ion. Okay. So we have to use 2 oxygen atoms to form oxygen gas. So we have to use 2 H2O molecule. Now, after release of O2 gas, 4H positive ion देखो एक से दो हाइड्रोजन के आयन रिलीज होंगे. 1 water molecule will release 2H positive ion. So we have taken 2 H2O. So they will release 4H positive ion. Will release 4H positive ion. And see, अब यहाँ पर 4H positive ion क्या है? एक्चुअली इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज कर रहे हैं. So they will release 4 electrons. They will release 4 electrons. See, यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन हुए तो रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज हो रहे हैं. So that will be oxidation reaction. So we have to write here oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. So likewise the dissociation of or electrolysis of water takes place inside the electrolytic cell. Okay, so here the bubbles of oxygen will form. Here the bubbles of oxygen will form and the gas which is collected in this test tube will be oxygen gas. Oxygen gas. Okay, so by this way we have done electrolysis of water molecule. Okay, so actually में क्या हुआ water molecule के electrolysis में we have to arrange such apparatus and we have to connect with the external source of electricity called battery. When we will switch off where the oxidation and reduction reaction takes place at corresponding electrode. At cathode the reduction reaction takes place where water molecule will gain electrons to form hydrogen gas and releases 2 OH negative ion. Likewise, in reduction reaction takes place as anode where H2 molecule will lose electron to form oxygen gas and 4H positive ion will release. After completion of reaction, this 4H positive ion and 2 OH negative ion will combine again to form water molecule. Okay, so this is the way the oxygen and hydrogen gas is released. So here we have completed our this chapter called acid, base and salt. So if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. So you have to write on your notebook and you have to write this reduction reaction and oxidation reaction. Okay, so this is all about our electrolysis of water. So here we have completed our this chapter called acid, base and salt. So in next video we will continue with the next chapter. Okay, so तब तक के लिए bye.